A document is just a fancy name for a letter, a report, an announcement, or something similar that you create with Microsoft Word. All of these documents are created using a special kind of file called a template. Microsoft Word 2016 comes with a wide range of pre-built templates, from resumes and cover letters to business reports, calendars, and brochures. This word processing software offers tons of options to choose from. In this video, we are going to create and save a basic document using the blank template in Microsoft Word. To do this, go to the File tab and click New. Here you will find all kinds of pre-built templates. Click the blank templates from the available options. The next step is to add some text. Next, you need to click the Save button located at the top left corner. Give your Word document a name and click Save. So this is how to create and save a new document in Microsoft Word. As always, thanks for watching this video, and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel up until now, please hit the subscribe button to get more useful tips for free.